Hi guys, what's up guys? This is a problem right now. I just recorded because the OP tech that I made like I don't know a few weeks ago, the video I made was not totally OP. I tried it on Isagi, then yeah, it doesn't work. It didn't work. I think it only works on like Kunigami. Like like I did it on Isagi, but it didn't work. It only works for Kunigami. Like I don't know if Ren. I don't know it. Just don't know. But I know it only works for Kunigami. But I don't know though. It's yeah. I got to stop recording now. Bye bye guys. It's only like for 59 seconds. So yeah, it doesn't work on Isagi. It only works for Kunigami. Alright, I gotta go. Bye bye.